The moment the latest Vice Grip Garage video drops, it's like a digital invitation to a world where rust and horsepower collide in the most exhilarating way. The familiar face of Derek, with his signature blend of humor and mechanical prowess, draws viewers into a realm where old cars are not just scrap metal, but potential masterpieces waiting to be resurrected. Each episode unfolds like a treasure hunt, with Derek navigating the dusty corners of forgotten barns and overgrown backyards, revealing hidden gems that most would overlook. In the latest installment, Derek dives into a particularly neglected 1970s muscle car, its once glorious paint now a patchwork of faded colors and peeling layers. As he surveys the vehicle, the excitement is palpable. He shares the car's backstory, weaving in anecdotes about its previous owners, the adventures it might have had, and the dreams it once inspired. This narrative not only captures the essence of the car, but also evokes a sense of nostalgia, reminding viewers of their own connections to vehicles that have come and gone in their lives. What sets Vice Grip Garage apart is not just the mechanical know-how, but also the infectious enthusiasm that Derek exudes. He approaches each challenge with a mix of determination and levity, turning what could be a daunting restoration into an engaging experience. When he encounters a stubborn bolt or a rusted-out panel, the frustration is real, but so is the laughter. Derek's quips and one-liners transform the struggle into a shared experience, making viewers feel like they're right there in the garage with him, tackling the task together. It's this camaraderie that fosters a community of car enthusiasts, all rallying behind the same love for the craft. As the episode progresses, the transformation of the car becomes a visual spectacle. The camera captures the meticulous process of disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly, showcasing Derek's skillful hands at work. He explains each step, breaking down complex concepts into digestible bits of information that even novices can understand. It's educational yet entertaining, a perfect blend that keeps viewers engaged. The satisfaction of watching a car go from a dilapidated shell to a gleaming example of automotive ingenuity is a thrill that resonates deeply. Each bolt tightened and each part restored feels like a small victory, not just for Derek, but for anyone who has ever taken on a daunting project. The community aspect of Vice Grip Garage shines through in the comments section, where viewers share their own experiences and tips, creating a dialogue that extends beyond the screen. It's a space where enthusiasts can connect, swap stories, and offer encouragement. The sense of belonging is palpable as people from all walks of life come together, united by a shared passion for cars and the joy of restoration. This interaction enhances the viewing experience, making it feel less like a one-sided broadcast and more like a collaborative journey. As the episode nears its conclusion, the moment of truth arrives, the first startup of the engine. The anticipation builds, and when the key finally turns, the sound of the engine roaring to life is nothing short of exhilarating. It's a moment filled with triumph, a testament to the hard work, patience, and creativity that went into the restoration. Derek's infectious enthusiasm reaches its peak as he celebrates this milestone, and viewers can't help but feel a sense of pride in the achievement. The latest Vice Grip Garage video encapsulates the spirit of automotive restoration, a blend of nostalgia, community, and the sheer joy of creation. Each episode is a reminder that behind every rusted relic lies a story waiting to be told, a journey waiting to be embarked upon. It's a celebration of ingenuity, perseverance, and the love of cars that transcends time, drawing in viewers and inspiring them to pick up their own tools and start their own adventures.